hard to show you, but this, because I'm videoing with my phone, but what I got here are some screen protectors, and it comes in a big old box. I don't know why. This is for the iPhone 13. iPhone 13 is nowhere near this size. Let's see what it looks like inside the box when we open it up. Let's see if we even got the right thing. How am I gonna open it? I don't wanna bend it to open it because it's got glass in there, obviously, for the screen protectors. So we'll just cut around the edges here. And hope we don't cut the thing open. There we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. We're opening it up together. And it comes with, I think, 2 sets of whatever it is. So I'm about to put it on anyway, so I'll just put one set here and we'll open up this set. So this is how it comes, and oh man, this is like a whole apparatus thingy going on here. So it comes with okay, so I'm guessing this is the screen protector, and I probably shouldn't be out touching it, but whatever. So it's got the stuff on it there, and then so it's got the indents, you see the groove in there? So when you put your phone in there, it'll line it up just perfectly, I guess. And then you've got the little kit here. I guess I gotta use this again. Man, that's so strong. Probably should have used that anyways. Okay, and I'm guessing this is gonna be a wet wipe, a little dust absorber where you can stick it under there, a little cloth, and a little squeegee thing here, which is basically just a piece of plastic, I guess. And then it's got the instructions here on how to do it, so you can kind of see right there. So it looks like, yeah, basically I'll put my phone in there, and then it comes with the strap down here. You can see this. So once I take this off, I'll put my phone facing down, and then I pull this, and it pulls the plastic off, and then my phone will go down onto it. So I will update in the description below if it worked, but because I only have a camera, I only have my phone to film with, so I'm kind of out of luck on being able to show it anymore. But I will update you guys with it. Maybe I'll try to take a picture of it in the mirror or something, and you guys can see what it looks like. But thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thank you. Bye.